Hello, I'm Ben, co-founder of V12 Footwear. We create safety footwear that is as tough as the environments they face. Our footwear is designed with three simple but important principles in mind: comfort, safety and durability. We know how much feet matter and how important it is to look after your greatest asset, your staff. Comfortable and safe footwear is imperative in reducing slip accidents and wearer fatigue. For over 20 years we have been researching, testing and innovating, embracing new technologies and better materials to protect people. Our fleet of test pilots put our footwear through its paces out in the real world, meaning wearers can work confidently, comfortably and safely. We provide safety footwear to industry leaders such as BP, Rolls-Royce and Sky. But don't just take our word for it. We are Key Mark accredited, have a 4-star grip rating from HSL, work with Sartre, and we offer a 200-day guarantee on all our boots. Contact us to find out how we can help you and your organisation to reduce slip accidents and step up in comfort.